Hello guys, this is Epsitech, and as you've seen, I'm just showing you different types of ambience that I can have on my setup. I've done this because a lot of you have requested me how my setup would look like with other colors and other schemas on my wallpaper. Other thing that I'm gonna ask you is just put some comments, leave me your feedback, tell me what you think about this kind of video, if this setup has somehow inspired you to make a new setup or to make your setup. If my ideas were great for your setup, just let me in the comments or tag me in the Twitter or Instagram with your setup so I can check it out and see it for myself. Guys, one of the things that you have seen on my video is that my wallpaper is animated. Maybe you are questioning how can I do this? It's really easy. There's an application, it's called Wallpaper Engine in Steam, and you can download it and use it for yourself. But if you'd like to see this software working, how it works, I can give you a tutorial how can I make all these kind of changes in the wallpaper in my 4 monitors. If you haven't seen my video about LED lights, you can check it here, because in this video I explain you how you can turn all the LED strips into Wi-Fi with a cheap solution. I have a huge secret that I still haven't shown you, so be prepared for the next secret that I'm gonna show you. So guys, I hope everything is okay with you. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and as always, bye bye and see you soon!